Business ethics are very important to companies around the world. Ethics create a reputation which businesses and companies pride themselves upon. In our technological age, it is virtually impossible to avoid having private information on the internet. But is this information being used against you? One of the companies with the most information about people in the world is Google. Google is a huge company which provides many benefits such as email, videos, and most importantly, a search engine. Google pride themselves on their business ethics. Google has a business ethics called Do No Evil, which is a policy that all Google employees have to sign that they will follow. The policy says that no matter what happens, you must always be good and do the morally correct thing. If an employee does not follow this policy, he or she is immediately fired. Google has been voted the best workplace in the US 3 times in a row due to their perks in helping the environment, having amazing facilities such as food and offices, but most importantly, their willingness to work with any company in a fair manner. Google places so much importance on their ethics that they have a committee to overlook Google's ethics and customer satisfaction. Google is known as a very environmentally friendly company. Most people don't think that they would have an environmental impact. However, Google uses a lot of electricity, and to produce this electricity, they use solar panels, thus avoiding using coal and polluting the air. Furthermore, to help the world community, after the Japanese tsunami, Google used a lot of resources to help find the people and unite families, spending over $5 million. Whilst Google displays a lot of ethical behavior, Google also displays unethical behavior. Google has been involved in over 100 lawsuits over 13 years. They have been cleared of all charges in most. However, they have given over $150 million due to legal fees. Google has had numerous privacy leaks in their short 13-year lifespan, where one could Google another person and find a lot of private information about that person. This is unethical behavior, as a person's private information should not be public. Another unethical act that Google is accused of doing is using their extensive information to search for potential employees. Whilst this is legal, it is highly unethical to do so. Google doesn't have many employees from African American heritage. Whilst this may not be because of racism, their workplace isn't very diverse, having mostly people with white skin and some Asians. Overall, I believe that Google is doing a lot more right than wrong. They display a lot of ethical behavior, and whilst they do have some unethical behavior, with a company this large, there are bound to be some problems. However, Google has done a great job with minimizing these mistakes. Google does a lot of great things, and Google has revolutionized researching with their amazing database of information. Furthermore, Google has really helped people in need and haven't asked for anything in return. Therefore, I believe that Google is an ethical company that helps the world evolve in many different ways.